morning, everybody. I apologize for my tired look, my tired get up. Actually, I just worked out, so that's what you're seeing. And then my coffee. This is my second cup today, and yes, it's black because I need it. I'm sorry if you see the lighting going in and out because we're having crazy monsoons right now, so it is, you can't tell where the clouds are and rain, and it just happens. So, let's talk. The reason why my uploads have been very shitty lately is because I started a new job about a month ago. And that's taking up a lot of time, and on top of that, I'm a full-time student. I just started my fall classes. Technically, I guess I would do a part-time, but I'm taking 3 classes, so if I take 4, I think technically I'm full-time, so we'll just say full-time. Never mind, we'll say part-time. We'll say part-time student, part-time employee, part-time housewife, part-time wife, part-time dog mom. So my house has actually not been neglected because we have been having a crazy upkeep since I started working, and I decided that today, see, look at going in and out. See how I wouldn't be surprised if it just starts raining right now. So pretty much what's happening is, since I started working, we've mostly been doing an upkeep, which is why you haven't been seeing a clean with me, because usually when I'm home and I have the luxury of being at home, like, you know, I can let it get dirty for like a week and then I clean, and then that's when I film for you guys. But this time I'm not, because I'm so busy. So today's video is going to be a clean with me, but it's going to be a like clean with me on how we like upkeep the house while everything is going on. I'm going to be drinking this as quick as I can, and then we're gonna get started on cleaning. What time is it? I think it's like 12. Whoa. Yeah, I think it's like 12, so I'm gonna drink this and then we'll get started, and hopefully we'll get through all of cleaning today. Usually when I film it takes me a lot longer, but we'll see. So, let's do it. So before we get started on this video, I just want to let you guys know there is no rhyme or reason to this. Usually I like to go section by section, and it's all broken down by like kitchen and dining room and then living room, and honestly this is exactly how I did it. How I filmed it is how I did it. Like, I'm not going through and picking out the right clips and, you know, doing all that stuff. What I'm doing is I'm going through my camera roll, and whatever is the first one in line is gonna be put in this video, and then the second clip, and then the third clip, and so on and so forth. So if it's usually out of order, because usually I start with like the kitchen, and if it jumps back and forth on some spots, it's because that's exactly what happened this day. So I'm just letting you guys know beforehand. If it seems like it's kind of all over the place, it's because today it was, but I wanted to show you guys the true way I clean when it comes to this stuff, when I'm trying to just do the upkeep. So just letting you guys know.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. I'm taking a mental picture in my mind just to keep this moment till the end of time. 'Cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Oh, bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me.
Yeah, I'm speeding 91, drunk driving, losing all intention, falling. Once I was living for the passion, now it's all missing without you. Yeah, I'm speeding 91, drunk driving, losing all intention, falling. Once I was living for the passion, now it's all missing without you.
새벽 2시 밤늦게까지 telling me that you Gucci 너답지 않지 got me driving like a movie 난 아직 굳이 걱정 따윈 없지 pedal to the floor only seconds left to go 새벽 4시 오아침까지 미안한다고 말하지 나답지 않지 got me calling like a movie 난 아직 굳이 걱정 따윈 없지 pedal to the floor only seconds left to go
Intention falling. Yeah, I'm speeding 91, drunk driving, losing all intention, falling. Once I was living for the passion, now it's all missing without you. Yeah, I'm speeding 91, drunk driving, losing all intention, falling. Once I was living for the passion, now it's all missing without
my
you.
life is flashing I'm running on past it 뛰어도 talk about practice 인생은 game 그 이유로 난 노력해 passion 하루가 지나도 speed 안 하고 신호등 red you already know 마지막 수건은 pressing and more My life been flashing yeah 난 아직 힘들어해 Remember the time 싫어져 난 피곤하기도 해 I'm living on one 시간 따라와 나 희망을 믿어나 봐 Hope in the future I'm hoping the future 난 미래로 멀리 좀 없어져 나
Yeah, I'm speeding 91, drunk driving, losing all intention, falling. Once I was living for the passion, now it's all missing without you. Yeah, I'm speeding 91, drunk driving, losing all intention, falling. Once I was living for the passion, now it's all missing without you. My life is flashing now, only seconds remain. My life is flashing now, only seconds remain. Yeah, I'm speeding 91, drunk driving, losing all intention, falling. Once I was living for the passion, now it's all missing without you.
널 다시 만났던 그날 하필이면 꿈이지도 않았는데 눈이
So you guys want to hear a crazy story really quick? In this bathroom right here, this is our master bathroom. And we were sleeping the other day because I had gotten off super late at night. I'm going to do a full video on my job and everything at some point. But pretty much I got off at like 2 in the morning. And we were sleeping pretty much all day because I'm an early bird and I got my whole entire schedule thrown off. I apologize if you can hear my dog in the background. I'm not sure if the mic picks it up. But yeah, we're sleeping in the bed and we hear a bang in the house. And I thought it was the front door. I thought somebody had broken in. But no, my husband had opened up this door into the bathroom, and that right there, right behind me, the glass shower doors, whatever they are, had completely busted. Yeah, no joke, busted. Like, pieces everywhere. I'll have to put in a picture if I can get my husband to send me one, because I didn't take a picture. I was so stressed out. But it just exploded. Luckily, nobody was in there taking a shower or anything. I mean, of course, it scared me to death because I was asleep. And you know, like when you're asleep, you don't know what's going on when stuff happens. It was insane. I had never seen that before, ever. And they were saying that it's a rare thing because we started looking things up because we were like, what the hell happened? I've owned these shower doors before in different houses since I was a kid. I've never had this issue. We thought maybe it was the moisture from in the bathroom. Plus we have like a little like window right there, and Arizona is hot. So we thought like at some point maybe it just boiled it, but no, it just exploded. It was insane. And now there's a new curtain there. So I'm just letting you guys know, if you guys see that in later videos that we have different curtain, yeah, that's why. So has anybody ever heard of that? I don't know. I don't know. It was the craziest thing. I mean, like I said, luckily nobody got hurt, but yeah. What?
your friend the other day. Heard you've been trying to reach me. Good luck with that. I threw my phone into the pool. There's no reason for your feelings. You knew the rules. You better run for your life and sleep with one eye open. How do I feel? I feel fine, knowing that you don't. I'm done with second chances. Ask all you want. I got no new answers. How do I feel? I feel fine. You better run for your
Alright everybody, that's not as quick as I thought it would be. We got about 18 minutes, but that will be it for this video. I do have 2 others in the works right now that I am hopefully going to edit and get it up to you by tomorrow, if not sometime this week. I am super busy. I have a concert that I have to do, and you know, it was Labor Day last weekend, so that's why I didn't get this video up that quick. But yes, I'm hoping to get everything up very soon and quick for you guys. I have a whole bunch of things set in stone every time, but yeah. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. If not, that's fine. You're welcome back anytime. And I promise I will be back soon. I promise. Not soon like I'm gone forever. I'll be posting soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.